how to add a color background to every in the row or column in a data range for dynamic data presentation. We have this list of large data to evaluate or analyze or print it, and if you can make every other row and column a different color, it will be very engaging and easier to read. So we can do this by a conditional custom formatting. Let's consider to highlight, for instance, every fourth row by a different color and every third row a different color. Let's select the entire sheet first. We can press Ctrl A and on the Home tab go to Conditional Formatting. Go to Conditional Formatting, and we can create new row and using the formula to determine which cells to be formatted. We will apply a simple formula, the mode function. Let's put it like this, is equal to mode, and row open is equal to 0. The mode function do a calculation based on the row number of any cell, and it divides it by what you give, either 4, 5, 8 or 10, and whatever you give it, and it figure out the remainder. Whenever the remainder is equal to 0, that means the row number is evenly divisible by the given figure. It will change the format of a cell in that row. Then we can click the format, and here we can format anything, either the font, the border, and let's select for our case yellow color. Click OK, and also here OK. Now it gets this result. This becomes beautiful. If you delete the row, it will automatically readjust. That's it. Good. If you want any change, you can go to Conditional Formatting and Manage Rows. Here, edit the row, and we can change the color now. Let's make this one, and OK. And again, now we changed the color. In the same manner, we can do it for column also. Go to Conditional Formatting, New Row, and the new formula row will enter the mode formula is equal to mode, open brace, column at this time, open brace and close brace, and comma 3 is equal to 0. Format. Let's select this color. Okay. Now we highlighted the column as we want. So it's great. We have formatted the way we want, either the row or the column.